Hello YouTube, this is Everything is Tech, and today I have an unboxing video of an HD camcorder by Airpack. I'll have the link on the description bar of exactly the info and all that. So I'm really not going to waste all your time by just talking. I'll just start unboxing right now. So I'm going to use my knife to kind of cut through. Okay, I got that part out. Okay. And it was shipped to me, so yeah, that's why it's in another box. Okay. Okay, got that much out. I'll just kind of lift it. And lifting this one. Voila. Well, I don't know, this unboxing might differ from other ones because I ordered this one, so I'm not really sure. Some plastic over here. Receipt. Amazon. More plastic. Some more plastic. And then the main thing. HD 720p advanced H.264 video compression. It's a camera right here. Some cables. Let's see what's in the back. Airpack. So as you can see, this is probably going to be my new YouTube camera as well. So yeah, I'll probably also make a review of my camera I'm using right now. Right after I kind of spend a few days with this camera, I'll make a review and stuff. So now I'm going to open this and actually show you what's inside of this packaging. After I finished cutting the sides, I'm going to go ahead and pull that up. A little left I left up. Okay. Okay, got that out. So, just had the battery in the bottom over there. Okay. So, the box is out. I'll get back to that in a minute. So, as I showed you, the front, some information, HD 1280 by 720, 30 frames per second, 8 megapixel camera. You can record it and actually use it on your DVD player. It supports SD cards that are up to 32 gigabytes. So that's just amazing. And then again, you can always connect this to an HD TV, etc. So this is the battery, the camera itself, and it just looks gorgeous. You really can't really even actually say anything about this. I'm kind of surprised, and well, it's light weighted, of course, and the video thing, of course, and then you could turn this around and stuff. Yeah, so that's cool. Like 8 megapixel camera. This looks like the power button over there. Well, I'll get back to make a review about this thing and even compare it with the camera I'm using right now. Oh, well, I'm sorry. Forgot about this part. I'm sorry, guys. This is the charger. Component cables. This is to connect it to your, connect your camera to your computer. Composite cables. And to put this, to actually connect, your camera into a TV. And the ledge. Well, thank you for watching. Everything is Tech here. I'll make a review about my camera really soon, after maybe a week of using it. And I'll get to my next unboxing of my birthday presents. Peace.